So now I'm going to teach the lesson to my students. So my student, Maya Angelou, has logged into her StudySync account, and she's going to go to her assignments. She has 5 outstanding assignments. Our assignment for the day is to close read Island of the Blue Dolphins. If she clicks on it, it will bring up the assignment. Here's the vocabulary handout, and I might have printed those already for my students and given them to them, or I might have some sort of annotating system where they're able to write in a PDF on their digital platforms, but that is a PDF format. And so I can watch the video.
On an island off California's coast, Karana and her brother Ramu survive a battle that destroys them.
So that would probably be a whole class introductory thing. You can put it up on the board, but if they forget, they have it there to access, or if they're absent and you don't want to reteach the lesson again, they have full access to it here. So then the second part is that I'm going to write here's my instructions. If I had changed them on that assignment plan, then it would be whatever I'd written. It would look different, but this is the regular plan. And here's the reading and annotating. So again, I'm going to model this as a class. They're going to have discussion. But one thing I could do with the annotations, if you double click to highlight, you can add a note, add a highlight. Let's say I don't know what weapons are. I add a highlight, I can add a note, and I can say something used to harm someone or something. That's just how I'm going to remember it. I don't know what gathering means, so I'm going to add a note. I'm also going to answer those questions above, things like that. Okay, so if I am supposed to be looking for specific cite evidence, so what evidence in the text helps you to communicate the dog's feelings about Karana and the situation in paragraphs 14 through 16, again, I can go down there and I can answer that question. This allows me to keep all those notes in there. On every assignment, my annotations and notes are going to be personally kept in there under my account. So I can see my numbers here. So if you're asking, how do I know what's 14 through 16? We can number them, and then I can look in here for evidence that how the dog was feeling. But I'm not going to do all of that. You get the idea. Okay, then I have annotated. I can pull my text up in a new window, which will allow me to see my annotations and click on them so I can remember my notes, and I can answer my questions here. I'm going to not do that. I'm just going to type a few words and hit submit. Okay, so I answered all my questions. And now I'm going to review my peers' work because I'm done if someone else is done, or I can go back to my assignment index.